works. Because we got a lot of testing to do. Specifically, one code in particular, magic should be working this time. Ah, yeah, that's true. But it just works when you guys are here. That's all. Working well until you guys show up, and then you guys cause chaos. So I think it's perfectly the same, you know. Come on, that's right. I'm pretty sure it's okay. It should be okay. Okay, yes, I am now live on YouTube. Okay, so let's see here. Now, according to my records, I should be live on Twitch. I should be live on YouTube, just the horizontal, because I'm not gonna do a vertical stream for this one because it's editing. And one of the things I will be editing is my vertical format. I need to update that crap. It should be live on Beam. It should be live on Kick. And Beam is sending it out on several platforms, so it should also be live on Valora and on Rumble from coming from Beam. Now the question is it gonna look like crap? Because I've been having a little problem with that where the Beam multicasting has been kind of ugly. So I'm trying to make sure that that's not the case. So I'm looking for Rumble now and find out what's going on here. Where's my thingy? Okay. It says waiting for stream. It says wait offline. So what's going on? Where's my channel? It says I'm live on Rumble, but it's not acting like I'm live on Rumble. What? It says upcoming. So it's not reading my stream at all from Rumble. What's going on? Okay. Nope, it's not reading me at all. Okay, we need to fix something then, don't we? Okay, so why am I always having trouble with this? Okay. No, I didn't want to go through all that. Trying to figure out what the heck is going on because I messed up on Rumble again. I think it was okay when I was doing the other channel, but it's not doing on the right one. So, how do I go live again? I broke something. I broke something I didn't know I was broken. Okay. Can I edit it? Okay. It's supposed to be on the vlog. So it's under there. It should be settings. I don't want it on that one, so let's put it on the Gen X one. Maybe that's the case. I should have put it on my other page. Please allow up to 30 seconds to take effect. Okay. Cross my fingers, hoping it works. Cross my fingers, hoping it works. Cross my finger, hoping it works. It better work because I'm getting mad. Okay. It says, oh, I don't know what's going on. I want my static key. I want my static shock. Okay, let me copy that and go back to Beam and see if I can fix it. Because Beam is not sending out data like it's supposed to. But is it sending it out to Valora? Is it going to be messing up on Valora? If it's messing up on Valora, it's messing up everywhere else too. So let me see. I also have some news about Valora. I kind of got added to a council on Valora. So I'm actually going to help out them there a little. Okay, Valora is coming in okay. It's a little bitty jagged, but it looks like it's working okay. I might stop using Beam and try to use the one that Meld has. Meld has a multi-streaming system too, but I'm wondering which will be better. I might actually put that to the test today. Knucklehead breaks everything show. Well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong because I do excel in that. I'm not going to deny that. I'm not denying that. Okay, so I'm going to test this here. Test. And will that show up? It's a question. Apparently it did not. You guys did not see me type in the word test on my chat. So why is my chat from Valora not coming through? I don't know. We gotta fix that. What's going on? It sees the page. Hey! Come on. I just typed. Oh, God, I'm not signed in. Maybe that's why I'm not signed in on the page. Oh, gosh. I gotta go through all that again. Ah, macaroni and fried cheeses. Ah. I brought you. I didn't break anything. I just didn't sign into something. I thought I was signed in. It was signed in before, so I'm kind of a little upset that it's not signed in now. Why aren't you remembering stuff? Sheesh. Ugh, I wonder I can't remember that. Okay, copy that. Okay. Okay, get your butt in there. Sign in now. Now, 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 now. Okay. Uh, okay, let's try this again. Anything? Okay. Well, that's not even showing up on the Valor site, so I'm not sure what's going on. So I'm gonna close that up. I'm gonna see why aren't you working, Social Street Ninja? No, I don't want to stop do that. I want to shut it down. I'm gonna activate the source. I want to reload the source, and I want to reveal the capture page. And I'm gonna say, Sandy, better say something. Go. I got him second. Okay, so now I can see from Valor now. Okay, now what about Rumble? Can I see you? Fast. Yes, I can see you from Rumble. Okay. So I can see the chat from Rumble, but where's the video from Rumble? I don't know where the video is. Where's my pages? Where is my page? I don't know. I have no idea. It's not streaming, but it says I'm streaming, so I don't know where it is. I don't know where I am. Where am I? It says upcoming, so why is it not there? Maybe I just need to change my stream key for it. I don't know. Oh, okay, so it is here, but it's not here. Okay, so let's see. Hey, babe, I'm gonna turn you off. Okay, that didn't sound right. Video killed the radio star. Video killed the radio star. And Sandy killed everything else. Okay, where are you? I forgot the code. I was about to type in the code, but then I forgot what the code was. Video killed the radio star. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. This is your last chance, Beam. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take another route. Okay, so give it a few seconds. Hopefully nothing breaks. Hopefully nothing breaks. Come on, you can do it. 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 Okay, come on. Go back there. Okay, go back to the page. Okay, I'm on. Why does my Knucklehead page have more followers than my user page? Okay, what's going on here? Okay. Oh, yes, it's not going to work. Okay. So apparently Valora does not want to work, or it's actually like it doesn't want to work. So I don't know. So I'm going to have to try the other option. Meld. MELD. I saw Meld have something that is useful. It was a multi-streaming service. And I'm trying to find out where in the heck it was. It was some type of multi-streaming thing that's tied into it. If I could use that instead of using Beam and then just send out the streams individually, it should work. I used it once before, but I don't remember where it was. And also, I did try Melds in their AI system. Um, I have to admit, huge power waster. It took a lot of processing power, a lot, and it had some decent results. It's just it took a lot of processing power to pull off little simple things, so I'm a little off on that. Where are you? Do I have to open Meld for that? Okay, I know I saw it on a page by itself. I'm just trying to find where is it. Not there. There it is, multi. Okay, macaroni and cheese. Okay, so what I'm gonna try is to use Bell's multi-stream and see if I can send all my signals out through that instead of using Beam system and see which one is better. Hoping that it works better. I have yet to see the video coming in from Rumble yet, so I'm a little upset about that because it should have been here by now and it's not. So, let me try something. I'm gonna add a feature. Oh no, not a doc. I just need to add a new channel. So I'm gonna add one to my OBS Atrium, because I took away the stream elements because that was a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna call it Meld Multi, Meld Multi, and I'll type in all the information that they have on the page. Does it recognize me? I hope it does. No, that's not what I asked for. Oh, I'm already signed in. Okay, I'm already signed in. I need to sign in for my code. Google it. Google my login. Make it easy. Oh yeah, I didn't get to tell you guys what happened today. My bank, I almost got caught with a bad thingy. Um, oh, they're local. I didn't know they were that local to me. Okay. um, Someone tried to fish me, pretending they were from my bank, and they were trying to to say that they were calling in about fraudulent charges on my account that I did not make. And you guys know how broke I am, so I definitely didn't have enough people doing that. So that was kind of weird. Okay, why is this not working? Okay, so I'm going to take my data, go back, go back, go back. So no, is anyone here watching this? Because I cannot see my video coming in. Okay, is my video here? Okay, video is still not here. Okay, video issues, trying to fix. That's two people watching, but I'm not sure if that's two people or me and me. Okay, so let's see. Let me go back, step a step, back a step, back a step. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that, copy the server URL, and over there I have it built in, so I don't have to worry about the server URL. Okay, we'll copy the key and then put that in there. Okay, good. Audio start. Okay, I got that. I cannot use Trovo anymore, so that's gone. Yeah, no thanks. Don't say that. I'm not. I'm not going to use Twitch right now. What I want to do is add my Beam, so that can have its own. I need to get their data. So let me copy the URL and server URL. TMP. Okay. What is this? Oh, no, no, no. I'm not using that. I'm not using Restream. No, 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 no. I was like, what the heck is that other one? And that's it. Oh, that's what that is. No, thank you. Okay. Okay, got that, got that. What other ones are going through Beam right now? Valora. I need the Valora one. Okay. Valora is a different channel entirely, so I need to go through there and find out where my page is at on Valora. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. YouTube chat, I know it's not showing up because I'm trying to fix it. If nothing's showing up because I don't have it all filtered in yet. That's why I say it's not live. I saw your chat on YouTube, but I can't get it to show up because it's not working yet. Let me fix the connection first, then I'll fix the chat. Because right now I'm not having all my connections. I'm about to switch them all over to a different stream channel system. So give me a moment. I need to do that. Okay? Okay. So where the hell is that thingy? Oh, a thingy. Um, where are you? Where are you? I'm on Valora. See, Valora says I'm offline. I'm not offline, Valora. Why am I offline on Valora? Even though it says I'm live. So Beam is the one acting up. So I'm gonna turn off Beam. I'm turning it off. Okay. Close it up. Close it. Okay, turn off Beam because Beam's acting up. Oh, what do you mean my music agreeing? Okay, so my Rumble, what else? Okay, Trouble doesn't work anymore. It's okay. So what's okay? YouTube is still working, right? Okay, so let's see here. Uh, what the heck? So how did my Valora broadcast suddenly stop? It just died. So I think it's tied to Beam. That's why I'm had to switch it out from Beam because Beam has been giving me little issues with their multi streaming service, and that's what I'm trying to fix. It's stopping my streams from being unstable and setting up a different system that's not so unstable. And my mouse is acting silly because I can't find the window. Now where's my YouTube? Select live sources. Okay, it's reading my source, and now it should be activated. And now, boo, boo, head. It's not reading it still. Why is it not reading it? I just, I don't get it. Why aren't you reading it? Why aren't you reading Boo Boo Head? I need you to read Boo Boo Head. And why is it so gray? Oh, okay. That's my visual effect. It's not, it's all that great. Okay. It looks kind of weird. It looks like a 90s cartoon with shady, grainy stuff. Okay, so, Stream Manager. Um, where is my info? I need to get my streaming info. How can I stream if I can't stream? What's going on? Why did I break? I broke something. Well, I see that, but it's not coming up on there. So let me shut down my social stream ninja again. Give me 20 seconds for the reload before you say anything because I won't be able to see anything until then. And I gotta find out why Valora suddenly crashed. I didn't stop Valora. All this work to get stuff working. Okay, YouTube is showing up under Social Stream Ninja. I told you not to say anything. Why don't you listen? You never listen. I said, do not say anything. And the first thing you do is say something. You never listen. Sure. Okay, so why am I not live? Oh, multi-platform chat overlay for OBS browser sources. Oh, can I actually get that as something else? Um, Tax form required for monetization on Valora. You did say anything, you knucklehead. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. All I do know is that I cannot broadcast on this platform because I can't find my stream key for this platform. It's acting like I'm not live, but it says I'm I don't know. What the heck? Your Valor. What the heck? Hey, did I just log out of Valor or something? Is that what it is? No, it says I'm logged out. No wonder I can't see anything. What the heck? How do I log out? When did I log out? No wonder I can't see anything. I was like, where's my streaming stuff? And it said, oh, you're logged out. I know it. Maybe that's why it suddenly stopped. It kicked me out. I don't know. Or maybe I was trying to stream while they're fixing stuff. I don't know. Okay, so I am logged in now. I see my information, but I don't see what I'm looking for. It's not what I'm looking for. Oh, I can do polls in here. Okay, I'm looking. I'm looking. I was logged in. I logged in and it told me that I was live, and then it said I wasn't. So I don't know what's going on. The second I logged into somewhere else, it suddenly killed my connection. Now, where is my streaming information? I can't understand where I need to. Where's my streaming stuff? What the macaroni? I can't find it. I can't find it. It's hiding from me. It's hiding. I don't know what's going on. I can't go live because I don't know what's going on. I have it tied to Beam, and Beam is acting stupid. So when I'm turned off Beam, everything got turned off. I'm trying to get it out of Beam so Beam can stop being so strained. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, settings maybe. Maybe it's under settings. Okay, let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Oh, hello, you. I finally found you. Okay, so now I found the information I was looking for. Sheesh, that's a lot of menus. I have to go hunting for it. But I guess that means it's well hidden, so no one can easily find it. This key powers every protocol. Okay. SRT, huh? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna go with this. I just want to go with simple stuff. I'm not gonna try to get all fancy. I just want to see if it works. Okay? Okay. So if my calculations are right, I should be able to go live on Rumble, Beam, and Valora all at the same time. And I'll go ahead and turn off Valora and turn off Rumble here. And hopefully it should work. I hope. Crossing my fingers, hoping. Let's see. And action. Check on my pair file. Not think. Do not memorize that right now. Go to my page and see if the video comes in from here. Okay, I see my video on Valora. So it is coming in from the source. It actually looks better from the source. It actually does look better. Okay, so I'm happy for that. Okay, let's try my broadcast from the other channel. Is it coming in from Rumble now? Where is my Rumble channel? I don't know where my Rumble channel is. It says I'm live on Rumble. Okay. Now, am I actually live or is this an illusion? I'm trying to find out. Push the play button, Sandy. Okay, I am live. I see myself. I see myself. Okay, okay, okay. So I am live on Rumble now. Rumble is working. That's a good thing to see. That's a good thing to see. Now, one more. Am I live on Beam? We'll see. I don't. Okay. Interesting. The one channel that I don't see active is Beam. So I might have to change something. I have to change the key on there. Instead of going from there, I want to turn you off. Can I stop it? Okay, I'll get. Oh, I can't stop it. I can only add a new one. Okay, fine. Okay, Beam, you want to fight with me like that? Jeez. Paste. And yeah, a lot of these places are starting to use the SRT configuration, which is supposed to be a lot more steadier than RTMP, but not every service works well with it, and I think that might be the problem. So I'm hoping that this works. I just set it up, and hopefully Beam should be getting the feed as well pretty soon. We'll see. I don't know. We shall see. Otherwise, this might be a problem. I'm just going to refresh the page. Um, you're not. I don't understand me. What are you talking about? I don't want to stop it though. Okay, I cannot stop it. It won't let me stop it. Manually manage terminations. If you do not understand, okay. Ooh, okay. I'm not messing with all that. Okay, that's some creepy stuff. I'm not messing with that. Okay, it won't let me delete some of these. I can delete that, and I can delete that, but I can't delete the other two. So whatever is going on Beam, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it for now because it's not working. My channel is not reading anything right now. So Beam is the only one that's acting up, which is might be what the problem is. If my channel, if the source that is actually sending my video to other sources is not acting right, then that would explain why so many things are happening wrong, and that's why I need to fix it. Okay, so I think we got it. I think this works. I just have to be very careful what I do now. Okay. So what I need to find out now is how far can I trust Meld? How many connections can I trust? But I don't seem like I can start it and stop it. So I have to try it each day, trying a new one added onto it. So right now I have Meld sending out a signal to Rumble and sending out a signal to Valora, but it's only sending it out to those two sources. However, it is sending it out much more clearer. What I could do eventually is set it up where my Twitter can also come from there. Actually, I could do that right now if I wanted to. But I'm not going to do it live right now, but I do have that capability. Let me see. Let me try. Um, that way, all I have to do is like start one stream and have it all my channels go to one source and not have to split it, which means my bandwidth will be free so we can have things like fighting game tournaments and such. So that's what I'm thinking I should aim for. Okay, so let me edit a source. Oh, what that? Oh, what's that at? Okay, would be okay, RTMP. I don't know. I guess there. What's HLS? What is HLS? I don't know what that is. I have no idea. I have no clue whatsoever. Okay. And the key. I need that key. Copy that key. Hide that key. Paste that key. And set that key to auto start as well. Okay. No thanks. Don't memorize it. Just add it. Okay. So now I have that. I'm not going to add YouTube to it, and I'm not going to add Pick to it because I have special configurations for those. However, I could add Twitch to it. but I don't know what my stream key is. So maybe I won't add that right now. What other options do I have? Um, I don't know. I absolutely have no idea what else because I have so many platforms I'm on. I don't remember all the ones I'm on anymore because they keep dropping. So I don't have Trovo anymore. I'm not streaming on TikTok anymore, so that's not an issue. D Live is no longer a thing. I don't think I qualified for Billy Billy yet. I'm not even going to try to, honestly. I could stream the Instagram, but I don't know if there's an audience there for that yet. And plus, I have to create a whole new system for that. So now, let me do a test. Test. See how many things come up with the word test. The only, okay, Valoris Reddit, YouTube is Reddit, Twitch is Reddit, and Kick is Reddit. But I didn't see Rumble. So why isn't Rumble working? No, 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 no. Let's on the capture page. Okay. Is it the same capture page? That's what I need to find out. Where's my Rumble page? I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. Okay, so Rumble's saying it's recording, so Rumble says it is live. I just need to find out where is it? Where is the page that it's on? Okay, that's the page. Hey, can I pop out the chat? Okay, so you say I'm there. Okay, so we get that over there. So I know which one it is. I don't know why it's not reading. I'm gonna go for girl on this one. Just make sure it's still reading it. Hey, girl is reading. Okay, so that's working. Girl. What's all that space? Okay. Okay, so it is reading the correct chat, but it's not letting me type into the chat unless I didn't hit enter. Test. Yep, it's working there. Okay, it just doesn't want to auto type it. Okay, gotcha. I gotcha. Okay, so get your butt over here. Just move it. I don't want to fight with you right now. Okay. Okay, we got that working. So, what else am I missing here? I'm not turning on meld. If I open up meld, it's going to break everything. Okay, Beam is reading the text, but it's not reading the stream, which is something I don't understand. I really don't understand. Maybe I need to turn it on and turn it off again? I don't know, but I don't think I have that capability. It's usually it does. So I'm going to just turn off all these sources. Bit rate between 9,000 and the highest Twitch bitrate is set to 6,000. Okay. So Twitch cannot go any higher than 6,000, but somehow Twitch was trying to force 10,000. So I need to be careful about that. What the heck is Nemo TV? Has anyone heard of Nemo TV? I don't know what that is. How do you spell that? Nimo TV. Is it a place I need to be? Looks like it's a gaming community. Guess I'll log in under that just to be on the safe side. It's where they play Finding Nemo. That would actually be an interesting website to go to if it's just nothing but Finding Nemo. If it's Finding Nemo on repeat, then yeah, I would love to go for that. I would love to go for that if it's possible. Okay, so I am signed into Nemo. You get apparently you get to earn tasks while interacting. Get check um, awards for checking in. I do see VTubers there. I do see gamers there. I see a lot of Indonesian text here. I see English here too, but I see mostly Indonesian, at least on the main front page. I don't know. What options do I have? Oh my gosh, I haven't been in this site so long that my avatar there has cat ears. Okay. I know, that should be scary, right? But yeah, I've been the last time I was here, I had the cat girl emote with my Paleo Real shirt doing this sign. Meow meow. Yeah. So I haven't been to this platform in a very long while. So why not try to stream on this platform too? Why not? It's another platform I haven't joined yet, so why not? Oh, oh no. Okay, I need to turn it off. Um, it's worth a try, you know? I don't know. Anything's possible. I'm always trying to expand my. No, they shrunk. They shrunk into my head since there's so much empty space. That makes sense, right? That makes perfect logical sense, right? Don't save it. Just save it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Meld is still going. So now I have Nemo TV added to my collection of places to stream to. Oh boy! Do you expect anything to make any logical sense with me? That's not gonna happen. No! 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 And what I would like to know is it possible to switch my output? Oh, I didn't push start on some of these things. Okay. Is that why it's not doing anything? Because I didn't push, there was a start button I needed to push. Oh my gosh. Did I screw up? I think I have. Which one is this? Okay, so if that's not working, let me stop that. And it should work. Well, I didn't know that was a start button. Unless I was trying, saw squares and triangles, okay? So I stopped one that I thought was going to beam. And I'm on beam! I'm on beam now! I fixed beam! Fixed beam! So now I'm live on beam as well. Okay. 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 This is quite odd. Very odd. Very odd indeed. I didn't expect that. Okay, so I am now live on Beam. I should also be live on what was the one I just added? I don't remember. um, Nemo. Am I live? Oh, I see a red line. What does that mean? Um, where's my profile? I don't know. Where's my profile? Where's my profile? Okay. Okay. Home. Go live. Um. I've already have the OBS running. Why don't you let me see? I'm looking for my dashboard. Yes, let me see my dashboard. Um, I have to hit the go live button. Okay, I see the dashboard on Nemo TV. I guess install it. I guess I don't know. Just can I close it? Oh no! What have I done? I messed up. I broke something. I broke something again. I broke something. I broke something. I broke something. I broke something. I don't know what I broke, but I broke something. Oh, where am I now? I don't know. Let me go. Let me go. Let me know. Red line doesn't sound good. What red line? Ah! Okay. Um. I clicked on the go PC streamer, go live. I'm already a PC streamer. I got it. It said live. So where did I put the thingy thingy? Did I lose my thingy thingy? I lost my thingy thingy because I closed the thingy thingy. Is that why it's giving me a weird thingy thingy instead of the thingy thingy I had? Okay, that's not the thingy thingy I wanted. So I'm trying to find out where my channel is on this platform because I don't know what my channel's name is. Is it this or is it not? I don't know what my channel is, and I'm trying to find out. It says I'm live, but it says I'm not live. But I don't know if it says I'm live, so I'm looking for it. I just saw it. Okay. Okay, dashboard. That's what I'm looking for. Look for the dashboard. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, so am I live? Oh, okay. So if I close the dashboard, it closes everything. Okay, I see that I am live. Oh my gosh. Red line doesn't sound good. What red line? Is there a red line? Oh, macaroni. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I'm live on a platform I've never been on before. I didn't know I could be on this platform, so I'm a little surprised. Yeah, I see. I saw a red. I said I meant red flag. I meant. Okay, this video. Your browser does not support video. Okay, okay. I see myself, but I don't have a channel name. Okay, okay. I am here. I am here. Okay, if I close this, it's going to be a problem. So let's not close this. Apparently, I have to have this window open in order for me to stream to it. Why? How can I shut myself up? Stop talking, Sandy. Okay. We're all mad here. Yes, we are. We are all mad here, and I am the insane person. So how do I customize my channel to actually work? Because I don't know what my channel is. My streamer level is 0 because this is my first time streaming. I did not know I could do this, so I'm surprised. Stream live 4 minutes. Oh wow, I've been live for 4 minutes on this platform. You're not a streamer yet. Start streaming. I don't want to stream. What are you talking about? Streaming right now. Download live streaming tools. I got live streaming tools. I'm working with my live streaming tools. I don't need any live streaming tools. I just want to know, how do I change my stuff? That's all. Oh, I don't have my name. Okay, I need to. Okay, that's my nickname. My nickname is on there, right? Uh, Oh. I knew you weren't a real streamer. A real streamer has complications, okay? Okay? No one follows me on Nemo TV. I didn't even know I had an account on Nemo TV. Apparently, I've had an account on this platform for quite a while. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. So I lost 2 platforms and I gained 2 platforms. That's what happened. Think about it. I lost Trovo and I lost Livespace, but I just added Nemo and I also recently added Rumble. So I replaced the 2 that I lost. So I still have 8 platforms to stream to. Oh my gosh, and I forgot to turn on that. So, whoa, wow, 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 wow. Okay, so I need to push that button. Um, okay, so if I'm right, I should be able to go to Twitter, create a broadcast, and let's say, um, I'm not really here. I'm not really here. And I'm just gonna have it as talking. Or talk comedy. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I don't know. I just say digital creators. And this source is now the Meld Multi. And if I'm right, Twitter should also read this footage. And it is. Okay, I want it public. I want it to be chat from everyone, start immediately, and push that button. I am now live on Twitter through Meld. So I have everything that I was sending to Beam It's now going through meld. Mel's multi-broadcast. I know it's weird. I know it sounds weird. I know it sounds strange. I know it sounds odd, but it's happening. It's actually happening. So I don't know what's going on. I'm hoping that it's reading it right. I'm hoping that I sent the right footage. I hope. Um, I hope it's sending it. Oh, did I push stop? I think I didn't push start. Which one did I send? I don't know what I'm sending. Hold on, hold on. That's the okay. So I need to restop it and restart it. Is that what it is? Oh, let me shut you down since you're working. And I need. Okay, so you are the one I'm stopping and starting. Okay, come on. I had to stop it and start it, I guess. I am all those things. Really? I am? How nice of you to say such a thing. Why is it not showing my details? Okay, I see me on um X now. I am now on live on Twitter as well. And I'm not using any additional bandwidth on any of these. So I've saved about half my bandwidth with just the system. I just updated my system to have something more stable, it looks like. Oh boy, I have one, two, three, four, five, six platforms coming from one source, and one, two, three, four coming from my original source. So yeah, I could do that. I actually have that as an opportunity. I could do that. I'm learning new thingies all the time. I'm fixing stuff. I'm getting more logical, and I need to shut down my Social Stream Ninja one more time and reopen it. So give me a second. Also, I need to go use the potty too. So let me open up our BRB game while I go potty. Okay. Is that it? Treasure hunt. Okay, I need to go BRB. Okay. Okay, so I'll be right back. I gotta go potty. You tell me. You tell me. I'm back. I'm sorry I took so long. I had to drop a hotel somewhere. Or I had to drop a club. I put something in the wrong spot, so I had to fix it. Sorry. Sorry, vampire. I put the whole dot in the wrong spot. Okay, so I like this. This is very useful. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I don't have to worry about finding and seeing anymore because it's actually working the way it's supposed to. So hopefully, I should be able to do one more test and all the chats should work. I would hope. Um, what was that kick URL? Make sure I got the right one. Okay, we'll do a test here. And it should work on all platforms now. Okay, I see it works on Kick. I see it's working on Twitch, working on YouTube, on Twitter, on here, but I don't have the new platform. I need to add um, Nemo, Nemo TV. That's a new one for me. So let's see if I can pull this off. um, okay, well, it looks like it has a decent warning system. That's nice to see. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave this up so you guys can continue to play it while I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Manata, da da. Okay. Installed my desktop. I, yeah, found Nemo. Found Nemo, I guess you could call it. Okay, I don't need it open twice. I only need it open once, okay? Okay. So I got that. And now I need to find out how to get my chat from Nemo into Social Stream Ninja, like I have on my other platforms. Also, did I see Kick's chat come through? I didn't see Kick's, did I? I see Kick, but I don't see Rumble. Why is Rumble not showing up? I need to see my Rumble chat too. So what's going on with my Rumble chat? Get your butt over here. Okay. Can you see me? Question mark. Okay, so it's there. It's just not reading my auto posting. So as long as it's working, that's all that matters, right? Okay, so Rumble is there. But now I need to find out how to add Nemo TV. I've never done this before. Nemo? Uh, I don't know. Nemo. Oh, okay. Select. Activate source. Okay. I'm trying to. Where's my music? I need my music. Not my naughty music, my good music. I don't want my naughty music causing me trouble. Well, actually, I need to change that. Why is my mousey acting so? Oh, because it has weight on it. Ow! Ow! Oh, by the way, you guys remember how I used actually using creating that code for Marbles on Stream to work on multiple platforms? I talked with the developers, and they say they are eventually going to launch an integration that will work with both YouTube and Kick. So more people will be able to play it natively. So I'm happy that's going to work. Okay, we stop unlocking. I'm just trying to untangle my mouse. What the heck? All these cables are tied together with all my HDMI cords. But the weight of it is dragging down my mouse. Okay, will you stop that? Oh, it's a capture card acting stupid. Okay, so are we clear now? Are we clear? Oh, what the heck is holding it back now? Oh, that thingy. Okay, so one more. Untanglement. Enchantment. Okay, I got it. I can move my mouse again now. Okay, so what I need to do is change your output settings. Okay, your output settings are good, but my advanced settings I need to change because I won't want track one. I would like to have track two as my audio source for that source. For reasons. For reasons. Now I could set it up where I could add Twitch to this as well. That'll save me a lot of trouble actually. But I'm waiting to see if Twitch is going to add vertical streaming to their if they're going to open it up because I want to do multiple vertical streaming on Twitch as well because that would actually save me a lot of trouble honestly. So I'm thinking is I could have the built-in vertical streaming coming from OBS and then having the rest of the vertical streaming coming in from somewhere else. If I could get it to work, that's the question. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Because right now I only have one vertical source and it's not active right now. And that's my one to YouTube. I could set it up where I could have it okay. It's not working. I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on. I'm not gonna pretend to know what I'm doing honestly. Okay. Or maybe I just need to shut it down, shut up and turn it off. I don't know. Auto activate? I don't know. Just I'll deal with it later. I will endure it later. I cannot seem to get it to work. Okay, okay. So it looks like yeah, one more treasure, two more treasures left on this map. Oh no? Okay, three treasures. You guys already got them all. Okay, so who got the most? Quay got it, so I'm giving you an S ticket. S ticket for getting the most treasure hunts. Hee 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 hee. Ha ha. And anyone who's watching me on any platform will have the ability to do this, except for Nemo, which I'm still trying to figure out how to get it to set up. I'm trying. But I don't know how to. Oh my gosh, I'm on the front page of Nemo. How am I on the front page? How? Oh my gosh, this is kind of creepy. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just improvising, trying to get everything to work. This is not really my me at my best. It's me at my quick lack of logic. But if you are here and playing, watching, you do have the ability to play our game where you could choose options between A through J or 1 through 10 to identify the quadrants of a treasure. So, yeah. I'm Dory. You know how much I'm forgetting stuff. It's all you know whose fault that is, right? Vampire. It's all those pink fish and it's all those blue fish. Okay, they destroy my brain cells. Okay, it's all their fault. It's not my fault. It's their fault. It's all their fault. It's all their fault. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It's not my fault at all. I did not. I did not do anything at all to break anything. Okay? I promise you, I did not. Now, how do I get Social Stream Ninja to recognize my feed from Nemo? That's what I need to find out. That's my next test. Okay, I tried signing in. Let me try reloading, maybe. Revealing the capture page. Okay, I'm seeing something different. I see a screen. I see it's all white, so it's not all black like it was before. Come on, let me sign in. Please let me sign in. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. Let me sign in so I can get this chat working. Oh. I'm sure I have something. I just don't think they qualify as brain cells, to be honest. I'm pretty sure I don't have any brain cells, okay? But I have something that's doing some type of a thing. You see here, listen. You hear that thump, 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 thump. There's something in there I don't know what it is, but it's something. So it should work, right? It all makes sense. It should work. There is something in there. I just don't know if it's brain cells or if it's a sponge or something else. No, it will be hollow. It would be like this. If it was hollow, it would be sound like this. Ouch. That hurt. Owie. I hurt myself. It's not an empty skull. It's not. I got a chubby skull. My face is chubby around the cheeks, so. Oh, my nose is tickled. Okay, so why can't I see you? Close this window after signing in. Okay, I'm trying to sign in. Why won't you let me sign in? Okay, so try signing in again. Okay, come on. Give me my screen. Give me the screen. Give me the screen. You. Yeah, you did. You did. I'm not denying that. I ain't denying that. You did. Dang it. Come on. Okay, so maybe it doesn't want to work tonight with the chat. So that's something I'll have to work on because I need to get it. Let me reload it. Stop it. Um, Activate it. Switch cache. Okay, no cache. Okay. Can I edit it? Can I edit it? Is what I need to do. Wait. Oh, it doesn't have a website. Okay, so let me remove that source and try it again. Okay, so let me add another chat site. Enter the full URL for the source. Okay, so what I need to do is go to my Nemo channel and find that source. Can I copy it from here? I hope so. Um, I don't even have a name on here. I just have a number. Oh boy. Okay, well let's try it anyway. Okay, Social Stream Ninja, give me a hand here. I believe in you, Social Stream Ninja. I believe in you. Where did you disappear? Why did you disappear? Come on, where are ya? I need you. You get over here. Okay, you are not what I'm looking for. You are the actual window, so I do need that, but not what for this. I need Social Stream Ninja's window. Okay, enter the full URL for the source. Okay, this is my full URL. Okay. And unknown site or site not reported. Okay. Now that I got the URL in there, I should be able to search for it in the listings. LM and no S, no. Come on, come on. I can't spell. Select. Okay, it says it's unknown, but I made it known. Okay. Activate source. Um, Hopefully. Okay. So it looks like it's reading the right page. I'm not gonna log in yet, but let me see if I can get this to work. I'm gonna test it out. Mac, roni, and fried cheese. It did not read it. Okay. So I guess I do have to sign in. Okay. Can I use Google in here? Because I already used Google in here? No? Oh, boy. Uh-oh. Okay, okay, okay. Hopefully you can remember me. Okay. You don't want to use that service, so I can't use that. Okay. So I need to log in another way. Okay, let's try another way. Um, where's my information? Where's my music now? I haven't heard any songs. I need music now. Songs, play it. Okay, that's a little loud in my ear. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's try this again. I will figure this out. Figuring things out is what I do best. I believe in myself. Actually, no, I don't. I don't believe in myself at all, to be honest. But I'll try to figure it out. Why can't I change my password? Got the name right. Okay, fine. Ah, man. Maybe I need to verify before it lets me see the stuff, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I fail at everything. What makes you think I don't fail at puzzles? Social Security benefits increased thousand after rule change. Wow. Retirees suspends parts of their careers in public service and was fully implemented with retroactive payments. Yeah, I didn't get to retire. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it works. Get out of the screen. Get out. Don't do that. Don't mess with that. Just get out of the screen. Just my eyes just suddenly started hurting for some reason after I looked at the screen. Maybe it's because I saw myself. I would say this possibility, honestly. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can get this thing to work. I, I think I fixed it. I hope I fixed it. Hello, short. A short hello to you, not here. I'm not here. I'm really not here. I'm not really here. I'm just breaking stuff and fixing stuff that I break. Okay, so let me stop you. Okay, so stop you. Okay, activate source and pause source. Now log into source. I think that's why I didn't have it. I can't spell. Okay, looks like I am signed in now. On to here. It says I read into the chat. So I'm gonna close the source. And now I'm gonna put this in a test. Okay. Ranch. Sushi. Bagels. something totally out there that no one would actually ever think I'll say. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, so maybe I need to do auto activate. Okay, give me another 5 seconds. I'm about to restart my chat one more time to see if I can get this to work. I think it's gonna work. I hope it's gonna work. So give me a few seconds. Don't say anything yet, because I won't be able to see it, and nothing will work. Closing all windows. Counting the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pushing start. Crossing my fingers, hoping it works. Seeing a bunch of pop-ups. Okay. Now let's see if everything still works. Macaroni. And fried pizza. Okay. Well, that's not very helpful. Well, Rumble's working, but not Nemo TV. So I need to find out why it's not working. Am I signed in? It says I'm signed in. Hello? 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 Come on. Okay, so maybe I just need to edit it another way, I guess. I don't know. Huh? Nani? I don't know what I'm breaking. I'm breaking everything. I'm breaking everything trying to get this thing to work. See, in order for me to add a channel to my multi-streaming system, I need to see the chat on every system. And I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing the one I wanted to see. And I'm not sure what's going on. I can see it from the window itself, but I'm trying to see it within Social Stream Ninja so that the interactive features will work. If that makes any sense. I know. Why you want to read it? Maybe it's because I screwed up. Maybe it's because, let's see, hide capture page. Pause the video. Let's see settings. I do want capture. Standard. I don't want to remove it. I do want to reload it though. Maybe that'll work. Move. See, move only works as an outgoing, but not as an ingoing. Okay. So move worked on Kick, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Beam, Valora, and that was it. So it did not show up under Rumble and it did not show up under Nemo TV. So there's something I'm missing here. What am I missing? Maybe they just don't like me to chat into that system. I don't know. I don't know. I am so confused, I'll be honest. I don't know what's going on. Or maybe I added the wrong page. I don't know. Okay, click activate source to start capturing. If sign is required, click sign in first. Okay, so click show capture page to show the browser and verify the chat is visible. If chat isn't capturing, click reload. If sign in fails, try using email and password instead of Google. If sign in is rejected as invalid browser, try changing the user agent to the settings menu. Clear the cache, the settings menu if you're having persistent mad. Okay, so I'm gonna try clearing the cache. Maybe that might work. So clear cache. And let's try it again. I gotta do it again. Sign out and clear session. Let's just clear off the session. Okay. Hopefully it works. Hoping it works. Come on. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. I know you can do it. I'm pretty sure you can do it. I just don't know how I'm going to do it, but it's going to work. Thinking is hurting my head. But you guys are still free to play the game unless you guys want me to switch to a different game. You'd like me to switch to a different game? Like Words on Stream maybe? I think we still have that set up, don't we? Or Marbles? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I had to sign into that page. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, I'm logging back in. Okay, it says close after logging in. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Open it again. And I'm gonna type in this better work. Am I seeing it? Not where I want to see it, obviously. Why? Why? I am not. It's not reading that I'm typing. It should. It's seeing me that I'm typing in, but it's not reading that it's there. Did I do something wrong? Maybe. I have no idea. No. How about that? Does that show up? No, it doesn't. I don't know. I have no idea. What if I just add? What if I just add the chat? Is there a way to get the Nemo chat by itself, and I just work with that? Maybe that might work. Let me see. Let's see if I have an option to do that. Only chat. No, I don't want to do that. I just want to pop out the chat. If I could pop out the chat, maybe that'll force it to work. Yay, that's what I need right there. Yeah, give me that URL right now. Copy that. Okay. I'm going to try it again. Now, let's see if I can pull this off. I'm going to try to add this as a source inside of Social Stream Ninja and see if it works. Activate the source. Test, test, test. Test. I think we got it. 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 Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Woohoo. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove you and see if it still works. And make sure. Meow. Okay. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I did it. I did it. I can see chat now. I can see chat from Nemo TV. So now that I know I could do that, I wonder if I can solve this problem with Valora then. Um, find out. Let me find out. I would soon regret it, really. So I think this might be why I'm having so much trouble, is because it's trying to load in the page with the video, but I don't need the video, I just need the chat. Now, if I set up these other platforms to only show the chat as a pop-up, I believe I should get it to work and not be so laggy. Actually, OBS chat doc. Yeah, that should be good. Let me try this. Okay. Activate source. Test. Okay, that came in a lot quicker. So let me turn this one off. And turn off the auto activate there. Turn on that. And let's try this again. Again. Okay, it's a lot faster now. Everything's working faster. Everything's working the way I wanted it to. So this is much better. So if my calculations are correct, I could type in something stupid like something stupid. And it should show up in all my chats. Let's count them down. How many did it show up on? Okay, it showed up on Rumble. It showed up on Kick. It showed up on Twitch. It showed up on YouTube. It showed up on Twitter. It showed up on Beam. It showed up on Valora. And it showed up on Neva. So 8 platforms working seamlessly together. Now for the real test. Can viewers on Nemo be able to take part in our little treasure hunt? Let's find out. So I'm going to say dig A2. And we have, yes, people on Nemo can also play our treasure hunt game. Good. Okay, what about people on Rumble? Dig B2. Yes, people on Rumble can play the game as well. Okay. We've got a nice start here. What about people on Valora? Dig C2. Oh, I'm actually getting warm on that one. Okay, that works. So Valora can do it as well. I am merging platforms with my stupidity. Okay, what about people on Twitter? Okay, let's try another one. Dig D2. That's I spelled it wrong. Okay, there was no S2. Dig D2, not S2. Oh, okay. So Twitter can still work. Twitter can use the game too. Okay, what else? What else? Beam. Can people on Beam play the game? We shall see. Dig. E2. Oh, yes, people on Beam can also play the game. Okay, okay, okay. I'm pretty sure everyone on Twitch can, but let me double check just to be accurate. Dig. Wait a sec. Why are you repeating my commands there? I don't want you doing that. That's probably why it's acting stupid. So, where's my commands menu? I'm turning that mess off. Block channel point reduction from relays. No, we're not doing that. Let's turn that off for a second. Let me try something else. Okay, because I didn't want it repeating that stuff. I wanted it over here. So, dig. I didn't say that. Did I? Okay, that's weird. Okay. I didn't say that. um, F2. Yes, to work on Twitch. Yes, and I got a crown out of it. Woohoo! Okay, and two more tests left. Does this work on YouTube? Where is YouTube? Okay, there it is. Dig. Um, G2. Okay. YouTube works with the game as well. And last one to test is kick. Dig. H2. There we go. So I've tested all 8 platforms. The game works on all 8 platforms at the same time. The other streamer pulled the stuff out. I got it to work. I got it to work. I like it. I'm so happy. I like it when I get things to work the way they're supposed to. I love it. I love it. I really do. I'm also thirsty. I'm happy though. I'm out of soda. Darn it. Sorry. I didn't mean a burpee. But I am so happy. I'm so happy. I was not expecting this all to work, but it works. All 8 platforms working interchangeably with this system. I love it. 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 And for anyone who is seeing me for the first time, especially those of you who are watching me for the first time on Nemo TV and on Rumble, I'm Sandy. I am a multi streamer. I also do my best to find ways of creating interactive features that work across multiple platforms. So, this is a coding testing stream to get everything to work, just so I can make sure that everything works seamlessly without any problems. And yeah, you guys can see that it works. Yes, anyone seen? Oh, yeah, yes, he's right. Anyone seeing Sandy for the first time, be afraid. That's very true. You should really, really be afraid of me. My shoes smell so bad. Okay? I use my shoes as a punishment to scare people with. You should definitely be afraid of me. So, yeah. But yes, I have it set up where no matter what platform you're watching me from, I can see everyone's chats. Everyone can interact with my multi features and games that usually are excluded solely for Twitch. I found ways to get them to work on multiple platforms with my scripts. And yeah, that's why we have what we have. We have like the sound missions. We have the assistant that works with bubbles with Marvels on stream. We could do. We found workarounds to get words on stream to work. We got all types of crazy stuff. So I'm happy. I'm happy. I like creating stuff that's not supposed to work. It only makes me more demanding to force it to work. And burp, of course. I need the burp. I'm always having the burp. Okay, so um we do have some things I did want to announce. Um I just need to remember what the heck it was because I got so caught up in trying to get these things together that I forgot the things I wanted to tell you guys. Just call me Forgetful Jones, okay? Sandy Forgetful Jones. Okay, I've already talked to you. Why aren't you listening to me? I haven't heard back about the no ping partnership proposal. I have. Why don't you respond? I did. Okay. Uh. Okay, this is kind of weird. Someone keeps asking me to sign up for a special partnership proposal, but they're not seeing my emails that I have been sending them. So my question is, have they been receiving it? She's got scripts, dog. I make the scripts, okay? I make things work. That's my special thing. If it ain't working or if it's not supposed to work, I make it work. I'm good at finding ways to get stuff to work that's not supposed to work. That's my special skill. Hmm. Okay, so and what were the plans for this week? I believe that there's going to be a code screen coming up this week for the Indie Live Expo, which is coming up, I believe, on the 26th. Um, a indie game that is coming out of early access is going to be officially released that you guys might have seen me play in the past, but this will be my first time playing it on my updated system. So I will be playing Crystalla again. Translate this email to English, please. Okay. So let me get this stuff here. So we have another co-stream coming up. I'm trying to get it Saturday, April 25th at 6 p.m. Is that 6 p.m. Japanese time or Eastern time? I need to find that out. Yes, I am definitely. I'm going to be showcasing the Indie Live Expo. There's going to be a future game show stream coming up, and I'm also going to be featuring the Index Showcase in May. So there's 3 more shows coming up very soon for me to showcase more indie games to you guys. If you're streaming on Twitch, you can now use official mirror streaming function. I'll just okay. I could do a mirror stream, huh? That would actually help. A mirror stream. So I will be mirroring their stream. Okay, that helps. Okay, so yes, I'll be doing the I'm not supposed to get my calendar set up right now. I need to code it. Let me code my calendar so I can remember what the heck I'm doing because I'm going to forget. Okay. So let me change my schedule around a bit. Hide some titles here that are no longer valid because I haven't updated my calendar in so long. Okay, why is this all not here? Oh, this is crazy. Just hide everything. Okay, everything's messing up. I haven't updated my calendar since my collab week. That's how behind I am on everything. Okay. And also, I didn't get to tell you guys, but I'm also a official partner. I'm a official Cristalla partner. So I am one of the people who is. Oh my gosh, did I break something again? I think I did. I'm sorry, I broke it again. I didn't want to break that. Why are you acting silly? No, 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 no. I want that to be gone, not that. I want the text to be gone. Okay. And that needs to go. And that needs to go. That needs to go. And that needs to go. And that needs to go. So is there an option I could use to just delete all hidden? Um, I know I remember an option that allowed me to take all hidden layers and delete them or something. That's what I was looking for, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so um what is today? Today is 20th here. So today is okay, so Tuesday is gonna be the 21st. Okay. Wednesday, 22nd. Thursday, 23rd. I cannot spell to save my life here. Oh, and that's my musical. My music keep disappearing on me. What's my playlist set? Just get my playlist. There we go. So if Thursday's the 23rd, Friday is what? I don't know. 24th. So Saturday's the 25th. And Sunday will be the 26th. And Monday will be the 27th. Okay, so now I know which days are which. I can plan Sandy is about this every day. That is absolutely every day, and you know it. There's no way to deny that. Okay. Okay, why aren't you in that box? Why are you not in that box? Why are you hiding from me? You shouldn't be hiding. Why are you hiding? You are not in the box. What the hell? Get your butt in the box, boo boo head. Okay, so I got those together. I'm gonna lock that box set so I won't delete it by mistake. Do I need anything in here? Nope, delete it all. Okay, so since no one else is playing the game, I'll switch over to Photoshop mode. Um, view, view. Okay, fit on screen then. Fit on the screen, you boo boo head. Okay, so cap. Oh, wrong button. Okay. Okay, pick my active window, show my active window, and hide that game. I don't know what I'm doing. Hide the treasure? Okay. Got the treasure hiding. So I should be able to showcase the application. I think. It's not showing it. Why is it not showing it? What the freaking hell, man? Okay, what's going on? Source. Hey, what's going on here? Am I on the right screen? Could be a window. Application. should be visible. Why is it not picking it? Pick the window. It's not showing my window. What the heck? Okay, what's going on, Streamer Deck? Why aren't you working? Reset. Okay, so. Oh no! No! Oh, why am I doing that? Yeah, I do. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so it should be rigging it. Okay, so why aren't you pushing my button? Okay, so pick the source, show the source. Pick the source, show the source. Why are you not showing the source? I don't like you. Okay, we're gonna fight. Okay, do I have one for Photoshop then? Do I have a source for Photoshop on this page? No. Um. Okay, well, there's that. Transform. Refresh the screen. I guess that'll work. Okay. Okay, well, I guess I gotta make another button for that. Dang it. That's not what I asked for, but fine. I'll just make a new source for Photoshop. If I can find out where I spelled the S. No. What did I name it? I forgot what I named it. Did I not put in the right one? No, I didn't put it under main. It's under window. No wonder I can't find it. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so hide that. Okay, there we go. Now you guys can see what I'm doing. Now you can see everything. Okay. So what the heck was my schedule saying? Okay, so first is the Indie Live Expo. I need the logo picture. Oh God, that thing is huge. Okay, where's my logo image? I don't know. New folder, because this is my first time co-streaming this service. So, Indie Live Expo. Ow. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Open folder. Got your butt. Get your butt over here. Come on. Drag your butt into here. And what day is this supposed to be? I don't know. I don't know what day it's supposed to be. I need to look again. Saturday, April 25th. So I need to put you over here. Uh-oh. Did I put this on the right layer? Oh no. Where did I put you? I need to put you way somewhere else. Yeah, I was right. It's in the right spot. Okay. I should make a new box called new. Oh, I can't do anything to resize it. Dang it. Okay. Not that. I need this. Okay. This week. Now I put that into that folder. And now I transform it. If I can push it. Control T. Okay. Go a little bit closer so I won't take up so much of the border. Okay, as you can see, it's not standing out too well because of the color variant. So it's easy for me to fix because I could just add a new layer underneath it, hopefully. And just make it a little bit brighter to stand out. So Go right here. Yeah. And I'm going to change the color to white. Not that, it's a white. Okay. Paint bucket. Dump it. And change the opacity a little bit to bring it down a little. Probably like 75. Probably 50 will work. Yeah, 50 is enough. Easy peasy. Okay, so that's it. That'll work. Okay. So we got that one. And what's the other one I need to do? Crystalla. Okay, that is going to be coming out soon. I need to find out when is the embargo date. I cannot show that before April the 23rd. So April 23rd, 1 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, let's do that. I need that. um, hmm. Okay. It's officially being released on June the 6th. So I'm going to show everyone it early. Because I've been backing them ever since it was in early development. So this will be what we have set up for the 23rd. Yay! Okay, what else? What else? What else do I have promised? I gotta see. I gotta see. Um. Okay. Not that. Okay, we got that. I did not agree to that one yet, so I'm not gonna put it down yet. There's, I have 3 games that were given to me, but I haven't had a chance to play them yet because I don't want to be overwhelmed by indies. So I'm being really careful here. Okay, that's Galaxies. Beyond. Okay, there's a survey for Kick. Did I do that already? I thought I did. Okay. Yes, I'm actually helping out with Kick surveys as well. So I'm helping Valor and I'm helping Kick. I'm helping everyone I can. Okay, not that. Okay, those are games that were given, but I'm not quite ready for them yet. Okay, May 23rd and 24th. So May the 23rd, it's in the month. So I have to remember Index is coming up very soon, in about a month from now. Literally about a month from now is the virtual convention that we did last year. Okay. I did respond to them. So why are they saying I never responded? It's right there. I'm looking dead at my response. Okay, that's so weird. Okay, we did the Triple I initiative already. Um, I did request a code for that. Haven't heard back. Okay, Miss Cristela. Anything else I'm missing? Um, Boba Bay launches on the 29th of April. And they are asking if I could restream that one again. I don't know yet. It all depends on what I have available. Okay. Generation Exile. Costella. Oh my gosh, so many games. I never heard anything about that. Been to the first one. So many things I'm missing because I'm so focused on homework. I'm missing out on so many games And so many games are being given to me that I haven't had a chance to play yet. So it's a lot to keep up with. Okay. Um. Mandrake. New Game Plus. Okay, they're saying they're gonna be at the convention. That's not where I can do. I do not that. Open Space AI. An app builder. Really? Okay. That is tempting. Homura Hime. Okay. I didn't know I got that one. I forgot I didn't even notice I got that one. I got a game that I didn't realize I got. Oops. And I wanted that one too. Oops. Oopsie, 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 loopsie, poopsie. Okay. 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 So the review embargo is cleared. Okay. Okay, okay. So yes, we have another indie coming up, guys. And this is one I actually did request. So yes, it does count. I'm definitely going for this. Okay, make sure I read the embargoes. Make sure I don't get do anything that's gonna get me in trouble. Flame Princess Homura Hime. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so let me get it set up. Get in my system. I'm going to set it up so I can do it this week because I wanted to. Okay. Library home. Okay, 34 gigs. Okay, so I'll install it once I stop the stream because it's going to be a pretty big download. But let me go and get the page for the icon. Copy page URL. Yes, 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 yes. I feel sorry because I usually stream these much earlier. I didn't realize I actually got approved for it, so I'm upset about that. But I could show you guys the trailer for it, huh? Can I? Well, let's see. So we're going to do that on Wednesday. I'm bringing it in now. Bringing it in as early as I can. Okay, okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, so what are we missing here? So I have 4 days free that I don't have promise for anything, which means I can put what I want. Okay, so what do I want? Well, it's kind of obvious one thing I'm going to want, but I just want to see something. There's a couple things I did want to do before I lock things down. What do I want to play? That's what I want to know. Hmm. Hmm. You know what I should have? You know what I really should have? I should have a day where it's all filled with games where I get to kick ass as a girl. That's what I should do. I should just do that. And I think I got a nice lineup I can work with. Okay, so let's see here. First, I'll save this. Get my voting screen up here. That I could kick ass as a girl. Well, we are going to have this. But I'm taking some things out. Okay. We're keeping Ace Attorney. Get rid of that image. Keeping Danganronpa. We're keeping Talents. Keeping Road to Empress. I'm dropping him the Smiling Bloom because nobody's been voting for that. And I'm dropping The Villainous is the Door because nobody's been voting for that. And I'm dropping Life is Strange because no one was voting for that. I'm keeping this in here. So I'm going to add 3 other choices that I want to add to Story Choice Day. that I want to play. I need to get some choices in here. Or what? Or what? Mm, I'm gonna add it in. Since we have Detroit Become Human, why don't we add in? Um, why not? We had no reason not to. Let's bring it back in Beyond Two Souls. Yeah, I want to bring that back. Okay, that's one I've been dying to come back to. What else? What else? Hmm. Hmm. Whispers from the Star. Hey JL, how are ya? Yeah, we're adding more chaos to our streams. We're adding even more chaos. A lot more chaos. I had to stay on brand with my chaos stuff, right? That's no problem. I've been missing a lot of streams because of the homework. So this is my first time streaming in like 3 days, and now I've lost two platforms. I lost streaming on Trovo and D Live, but I just added Nemo TV and Rumble. So now I'm back on 8 platforms. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that, JL. I hope you feel better soon. Sorry about that. So yeah, I'm on 9 different platforms. I got a better, what seems to be a better encoder splitter. So my connection is better and more stable than it was with Beam. So I'm hoping that the multi-streamer will keep working. This afternoon, I did try Meld's new update with their AI built engine, and I was able to build a cafe scene using prompts. It did not use generative AI, it actually used vector shapes. And it also allowed me to input my own images to be as a slideshow. So it took what I described and created a whole scene out of it. So I am happy that I was able to do that. Now the drawbacks was it took a lot of processing power, and several times my computer did freeze up while waiting for it to process. So that's something I might want to wait until they kind of tweak it, because that was a little scary, because I was afraid I was going to get freezing problems, because it was crashing even before I even opened up, even before the app finished opening. So I think they need to fix a couple of things. Okay. So right now I'm making my selections for the Voters' Choice Days. First up, I'm making the one for Story Choice Day, which will be later in the week. Um, we're keeping Ace Attorney as an ongoing theme. We're keeping Danganronpa. We're keeping Road to Empress. We're keeping Talents. We're keeping Detroit Become Human. And we're keeping Guardians of the Galaxy Telltale. I'm bringing back Beyond Two Souls. And I'm offering Whispers of the Heart. Oh, what do you mean? Wait. What do you mean you spoke too soon? What do you mean you spoke too soon? Wait. Oh. And I need one more choice that I'm picking for a story choice game that I've been wanting to play. I gotta finish Beyond Two Souls. I have finished it, but I've never strained myself playing it completely. I finished all of Beyond Two Souls and I finished all of Life is Strange, but both of which I've never streamed. So I'm trying to correct that action. So let's see, where are my story choice selections? Choices matter is what I'm looking for. 243 games in the choices matter category, and that's just on my Steam account alone. I could bring back Batman, the second Batman game we never finished. Oh, I have Beyond Two Souls on PC as well. I forgot about that. um, what else? Let's see. I'm thinking. Um, Dragon Age is kind of story choice, but more tactics, which is what another thing I want to have. This week I'm going to have story choice day. I'm going to have girl kick ass day, an adventure day, and a Koi day. I think I could be wrong. I want to keep two consistent themes and a variable theme that changes every week is what I'm aiming for. I could bring back henchman stories. Hmm. We did play all of Borders Tales of the Borderlands, but we haven't played the sequel. Solid State. Well, I could offer it at least. See if it's any good. We never finished Tell Me Why. Hi, and I'm gaming. How are ya? Nice to see you there, Valora. How are ya? See, I see ya. I see ya. Yeah, well, I'm trying to pick out which story choice games from my library I want to offer for votes this week, and then all my other selections. Um, let's see. We have played A Wolf Among Us, and we actually got to an ending of that. I don't want to see all the endings because I want to save something for people to get. We have played to an ending of Stray Gods. We never did finish Still Joking. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe I want to add something different though. I think, what do I really want to add? It's really hard because I have over 256 selections in the story choice category on Steam. Why don't I bring that back? It's not to saying I can't. Yeah, let's bring it back. Something we haven't finished that I've been wanting to go back to. Coffee talk. Let's bring back coffee talk. And we'll have these selections stay static for the whole month, and then every month we'll filter out the ones that got the least votes and rotate from there. Okay, so I'm gonna save this as our story choice selection. Export. Okay, get this all out of here. Get all this stuff out of my way. Okay, so story choice games are set, and now I just need to make it as a calendar day. So where's my text at? I need my text. I need my text button, Bubbles. Oh, you're just crazy. Okay, fine. So we already had our beat 'em up day, so now this will be story choice. Story choice, viewer choice. Let's change that color though for something a little bit more contrasting, like pink. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing on Friday. Okay, so it's not a problem. Taking care of yourself is far more important. I assure you. Okay, so next, you got story choice all set, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's make a new set. And this one will be Girl Kick Ass. I kind of forgot something. I want this text over here. Get that out of here. Okay. Do, 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 do. Okay. Okay. Gal kicks ass day. That's what I'm gonna call it. Gal kick ass day. Um, Now I have some already installed that meet that category that I want to offer. It's mostly gonna be hack and slash and such, so that means I'm bringing back. Come on now, get your butt back over here. Oh, it's coming up with a DLC that just came out. Oh man. Okay. So I'm bringing back AI Limit. I want to play that one again. Do 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 do. Okay, what else? Give me my dinky dinky. Okay. What other games have we played as a gal that can kick some ass? Um. mm, no, I can say that. I can say that. I can do that. I can do that. That meets the category. She's kicking ass with the camera, but it still works. Heck yeah, come on. Bring it in. Bring it back in. Get your butt over here. Bring back Fatal Frame 2, Crimson Butterfly. We're gonna do that. Heck yeah. Y'all kick ass say, you know I gotta fit something Cody Tecmo in there. Come on. You guys know I have to. I have to. Okay, what else? Other games where I get to play as a gal who kicks ass. Bop, bop, bop. Rise of the Ronin. Ha. Heck yeah. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop. Yes, my character's a girl, so it counts. It counts. It counts. Yeah. Okay. Gal kicks ass and Rise of the Ronin. Heck yeah. What else? Hmm. Any other games I have where I can play as a gal who kicks ass? Aha. Aha. Ah, da 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 boop bop bop bop. Yep. Bring back Wu Chang. Wu Chang Fallen Feathers. Okay, we got that. And if we have Wu Chang, we have to have. Obviously, we have to have Stellar Blade. So yeah, that's gonna back. You know I gotta make this hard as possible. I want some competition, especially now that I let you guys do multi-platform voting to really cause trouble. And plus, it helps my views on all the channels. Okay, what else? Which one do I want? What else? What else? What else? Oh, it counts. It does count. My character in Neo 3 is a female. And she kicks ass. Not as good as I want to, but it counts. It counts. It counts. Is that why you haven't played it yet? Hmm. Hmm. Thinking, think. Think, 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 think. You know what? Let's try something playing a game I have never played before. That I have, but I haven't played before. I'm gonna bring in Tokiden 2. Let's go for that. Have you guys saw the pattern yet? Have you seen the pattern of what I've been doing? Have you guys discovered the pattern? And speaking of another kick-ass game, Knights of Missouri. And let's bring in something that I have not played in a very long time. That you guys probably forgot I even own still. And might be even surprised that I still have installed. Although I don't want. Which one do I want? Ah, thanks for the follow there, Nemo. Thank you, thank you. This is my first time streaming on here, so I'm still getting used to stuff. And I believe you're my first follower here on this platform. How are ya? I think. Do I want to do Blades of Time or X Blades? That's a tough one. Blades of Time or X Blades? One of those two I want for that last slot. Let's see here. Let me try one more category I can search for. I wonder. Are you telling me I don't have a category for that? How dare you, Sandy? Here we are. Duh. Well, that means you're just as strange then. Oh my god, I have 684 games in my Steam library where it has a tag female protagonist. But here's one I have yet to play that I've been trying to try out. Maybe I should go for that. Let me see what else I have to offer first. That's definitely a high choice. I'm thinking 10,000 resist, but let me see if there's anything else that I've been dying for as well. Man, 600 freaking games. That's like over 1/4 of my Steam library. Jeez. I could have had Blade Kitten. I could have had Blades of Time. I could have had Bayonetta. I could have had Aftermage. Astergos. About a million Otome games. Huh? Mm? Code of Princess. Hey, we already got Troy Become Human. That's a multiple protagonist. What you talking about? No, no, no. That. I'm thinking. I'm still only up to the D's, E's, and I still trying to decide if I want one more than the other. There's just so many games I want to try. I've been dying to try and just never had the time. And now that I have the time, I don't know how to pick. I'm trying my best to pick something that's not Koei Tecmo. It's so hard. It's so hard. It's so very hard. Oh no, I'm not going for Hellblade. No, thank you. Horizon Zero Dawn, that's an option. Hunter X, Indica. I haven't played that in a very long while. No, 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 no. Koa, King's Bounty. Still thinking. I'm thinking. Oh, all the Life is Strange games. You take that back right now. You take that back right now, or I'm muting your butt. Take it back. Take it back. Take that back right this second. I will not have you say words of such blasphemy in my presence. Hmm. Hmm. How dare you? You know what? Why don't I do that? Something that will really drive you guys nuts. I'm gonna add something even crazier. Oh, there we go. There's our final selection for Gal Kick Ass Day. Neptunia Cinnamon Kagura, Ninja Wars. There we go. A nice selection of games you guys can vote for on Gal Kick Ass Day. What's that day is going to be? You know what? Now I have it tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this. Duplicate. And let me change the color of that to, how about green? Yeah. Okay, so that'll be Gal Kick Ass Day. What else? What else? We have 2 more days I could slide in. What did I say I wanted? I know I wanted Story Choice. I know I wanted Gal Kick Ass Day. We have Crystalla and Homura Hime counting under our Indies days. So we're getting 2 Indies this week. And the Indie Expo. So 3 times the Indies. And I want to have at least one more viewer's choice. At least. But which one? What do I want to offer? What do I want to offer? Why don't I offer a cart day? I do have a vote for for my favorite on my page for another marathon. Oh, let me guess. Dynasty Warriors. Why don't I have that? Well, okay. I think I'm gonna have a racing day. You guys think you might be down for a racing day? A racing day? Like between Mario Kart 8, Mario Kart World, Sonic, and Sonic and All Stars Racing Transform, Sonic Cross Worlds, and probably 2 others. I have not been able to do anything, okay? I have been busy with my homework. It's either straight from homework to here. And if I'm lucky, it's to here. Because most of the times I go to sleep right after homework. You can't blame me. You can't blame me. I need an RPG day. I want to cover some RPGs. Ah. Yeah, RPGs would be fun. And probably a demo day. Actually, you know what I should do? I'll let you guys vote on what my other theme will be. I'll let you guys vote for my last 2 themes. And yeah, that'll be what I do. I'm gonna do it right now. Let me go ahead and save this here. Put this all in the right folder. Why are you not in the right folder? Get your butt over there. Okay. Okay. So I am going to. Oh, I already have a text over here, don't I? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put in 6 categories of themes. Oh no, you better go take your butt back. Okay. And I'll let you guys pick which themes it's going to be, and then I'll pick the games for it. How about that? Based off of what I have available. Would that be fair? Okay. So my first selection, I'll change this color to a red and call it Jackbox. The Jackbox and other similar games. Ah, get your butt back over here. There'll be option here. Actually, I'll go ahead and bring my poll float up here. Can I show the poll? I can't show the poll on the screen. Okay. So export. Okay, we'll worry about that later. We'll do the voting later. We're gonna do this first. First will be Jackbox games. I'm also considering RPGs, so we'll keep that. Well, we'll just change the color for that too. Okay, I want RPGs. What else? I want. What else I want? Think. Let me think. Racing games. let's call it that, grayish. Okay, racing games. What else? Fighting. Fighting games. What else? Or exploration games. So that's similar to like Fallout games and games that have to wander around and explore stuff, pretty much. Okay, and um, thinking. Where's my games at? um, tactics, tactics. I just see that green because I'm always like that. Tactics. Um, indie games. In a selection of indie games already installed. And demos. Oh, I forgot to change the color of that one. Okay. Demos. And one more. Um, what else? What else do I have installed that I've been wanting to play? Um, thinking. I'm thinking. Um, mm, mm, huh, just never played. A whole collection of games I've never played. Okay, export. Now, where are you? A loading screen. Okay, guys, you have your choices now. Get these put away. Okay, so we're gonna have the top two be the ones that we stick with. So, do you want the last two to be either Jackbox games, RPG games, racing games, fighting games, exploration games, tactics games, indie games, demos, or games I've never played before? You guys pick the category, I pick the games. Fair enough? Because mostly I'm going to pick stuff that's installed that I can get off my hard drive. I'll give you guys 5 minutes to go ahead and vote. Huh? Why didn't it work? No, 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 no. It's not that archaeologists. It's hashtags. Simple hashtags. A hashtag and a number. So go ahead and get your boats in. I'm going to go and refill my water and give you guys time to vote. Okay? Remember, the top two is what's going to happen. What it's going to be. So feel free to vote for more than what you want on multiple platforms. So if you do want more than one, use your multiple platforms to vote for more. And it'll help you also get more viewers on each of them. I will be right back. Stand up. Uh-oh. Seriously, guys. Seriously, you only got one choice? I said you guys have two choices. I need two choices. I need two choices to fill up the gaps, remember? Well, it looks like you guys all want indies, huh? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So we're gonna have to look for some indie games, huh? Okay, look what I have installed already first. That's my primary choices. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Oh, that counts. That counts. Two. That counts. Oh, that'll be an interesting change. Um, and you, and you. Okay, got 6 chosen so far. And you, and you, and one more. Need one more, one more, one more. Didn't I have a whole bunch of indies on here that I need to play? I can't find out where I put those indies. I made a mistake of putting all my indies on my desktop. All my games on my desktop. Mm. Oh well. I will add a interesting mixture. So you guys don't want to add any other choices, huh? That's what you're gonna stick with, huh? Okay. I didn't even clip. Why are you showing up Photoshop? Oh, because I have it hidden. That's why. I was like, what the heck happened to my Photoshop? Okay. Okay, so you guys wanted indies, so let's put some indie games in here. Uh, so once I can find where I put them all at. I need the desktop for this one. Okay. Okay, so where's my page? Okay, copy. Hey, this counts as an indie. It does, it does. You can't deny it. You can't deny it. It counts as an indie. It counts. Okay. Oh, come on now. I'm gonna have to move you over here. This gave on my nerves. Can I bring you out? Nope, I can't. I gotta bring the whole thing out. Oh, I need you there. Stay your butt there. Okay. Get my Photoshop back out of here. Photoshop, Photoshop, Photoshop. Okay, get your butt over here. Not there, over here. Get, Okay. Oh, no. Okay, you fit on straight. I zoomed it in too much, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I can see everything now. Okay. So Expedition 33 is one. Let's see if I can copy this without opening it. And search for the picture for it. Okay, the first Tower Hunter game I want to add to it. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Tower Hunter 1. Okay, that's there. Uh-huh. Um, where you at? Where are ya? Ah! Do, do, do. Okay. Nice day for fishing. Okay, got that. Dead by murder. Death by murder. There we go. Death by murder, a detective game with full motion video. Fast Beat Loop Racer. Loop Racer GT. Okay. Fast Speed Racer GT. Um, um, Solid State. Figment. Solid State. Get your butt in there. Sit, 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 stay. There we go. Okay. Solid State is now there. Is it Time Lie? Can't pronounce it. Is it Time Lie or Time Lee? Okay, Time Lie. And Bye Sweet Carol. Oh man, I messed it up again. Ah, itchy, itchy. No, no, no. Control V. Not control whatever that was. Get your butt over there. Sit. Stay. And one more. Where are you at? Come on. Stop hiding from me. One last one. Valkyrie Drive Bikuni. Okay, so what do you guys think about these selections? Or can you see it? Where is that thingy? So these would be for our indie game selections. I'll make that. Indies. Okay, so that would be the ones we choose for our indie game day. I just gotta find out when it's going to be. So let's see. Screen. Now these are subject to change, except for the ones that are date exclusive, like these two. But for the most part, I'm gonna try to stick to them all. If I can't handle it, it will just be pushed back to the next day. That's all. That's all I can really do. That's the only thing I can promise you guys. Until I get a bit more stability, you know? Okay, so we need one more day to choose from. So since you guys already voted for that, I'll get rid of that and find something else for you guys to pick. What other selection could I put in place of it? Thinking. I'm gonna go for something on the Switch or PS2. PS2. What can I pick? Hmm. 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 Okay. Where's that polling thingy? Oh, it's not on here yet. Okay. So you guys now have to pick one last selection, one last theme. Which one would you guys like the most? Now that we have indies already selected, you guys get to pick one more. And yes, I do have games for every single category on here. Well, we already chose the indie ones. So I need, like I said, I had 2 days to fill. So I need one selection for this last day. Ah, yay, some competition. Yeah. So let me show you what we have on here. See, this is what we have so far. So I just need to fill that one last slot. That's what I'm looking for. I have to stay consistent, otherwise I'm gonna fall into a rut of missing streams. So I'm trying to keep myself on track with a set schedules. That's why I'm doing this. So it looks like you guys are going for never played and Sandy picks, huh? Hmm. Then I'm gonna have to pick games I've never played. You guys gonna do that to me, huh? You gonna do that, huh? Okay, okay, I see what you guys are doing. Okay. Okay. I see what you guys are doing. I got you. I got you. Okay, mouse go. Mouse, get your butt over here. Okay. Never been played, huh? Oh, I'm definitely gonna pull some stuff out of my hat with this one. Money. Huh? Money. Oh, that ain't good. All that time it wasn't charging. That ain't helping me at all. Okay. Fine. Fine. We'll take this another direction. Oh man, I'm not signing into anything? Jace. God damn it. Oh man. You guys are not gonna make this easy on me, are ya? Aw. I wasn't selected for a co-host? Oh well. For a games festival. Oh well. Silly. Their loss. Hmm. Itana. Okay, there we go. What haven't I streamed before? Thinking. I'm thinking. Oh, that'll work. That'll be something different. Okay. Okay. Switch out here. Add some new selections here. Put on screen. Okay, so Sonic Racing Crosswords is going to be one. Tokyo Mirage Sessions Fire Emblem Encore will be one. I've never played this one. And else? Hmm. I can't play that. Hmm. I've already played that. I could play that, but I don't think I want to. That'll probably get me in trouble if I play that. A lot of trouble. Hmm. I'm thinking. Ah, I can't think. Ah, why did I have to go through all of these loops so I can remember, find out what I have on different platforms? Oh, oh, I know what I can use. I know what I can put down here that I haven't played before. Something you guys would. Oh, I have lots of cool stuff I can be playing for you guys. Oh, oh. Uh-huh. Why did I forget about that? How did I forget about that? Why and how did I forget about that? Well, I'm making the choice to pick out the game, so that counts. I was going to have to pick out the games in that case too, so I just combined them both. I have never streamed or yet Steam. Where is it? Oh, I should. Why don't I do that? Copy that and paste that sucker in there. Get your butt over here. You ain't get me in trouble. There's one. Where the heck? Where the heck? There it is. Is it? I don't know. No. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, yes, I can play that now. Ow. I can't spell. I can play this now. He goes to Tsushima. What else? What else? La 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 la. Where the heck is it? I can't find it. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. I'm looking. That's not what I wanted, was it? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Where are you? Okay, there you are. Stuff I have not streamed before that I want to stream. No, that wouldn't be make more progression. I'll probably have this in choice next time. Yes, I am actually surprised of how many games I've actually have streamed on my channel, and how 2 years of it you guys don't even know about. Nobody knows about my first 2 years and what games nobody saw me play. I was trying to find stuff that I have on other systems that I've never had a chance to stream for you guys. That's what I was looking for. Ah, da, da, da. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so let's go back to Steam and let's see what I have. Unplayed. 1,554 games that I still have unplayed on my Steam. Okay. Okay, okay. Gonna add that in then. Oh, that's the wrong one. Not what I copied. I didn't copy that. I copied this. What else? What else? Thinking, thinking, thinking. Hmm. I thought I did play After Mage. Guess I haven't. Hmm. Steam says I never play it, so I guess I didn't play it. When did I get Among Us 3D? I don't remember getting that. Thinking, thinking, thinking. Yeah, I'm going deep cut on this. Ah, there's one I haven't played before. Blade Storm Nightmare. I could also say the other Blade Storm game too, but this is, I think, it's already easy to access. And won't take up all my hard drive space. Thinking, 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 thinking. See, it says I didn't play the Contra Anniversary Collection, but I could have sworn I did. A lot of these games it says I haven't played, but I know I have. I can't think anymore. I can't think anymore. I can't think. I can't think. Think, 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 think. Hmm. I know I didn't play those before because I just got them. Uh, I got a Final Fantasy game on there, right? Yep. Mm. Oh, you going to sleep? Ah, okay, fine. Night, night. Have a good night. It's probably time for me to get ready to go to bed soon too. Just want to knock out this last selection, then we'll close it all off. That way, I have my whole schedule set, and I'll be forced. I need you guys to help remind me to stick to it. I need you guys to help me remind me to stick to it. Quidditch champions? Don't want to play Quidditch. Man, not as much as I actually do want a legacy though. Mm, ow, my foot. Thinking, 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 thinking. Where did I get that? There's games in here that I didn't even remember buying, to be honest. Let's see. Um, how big is it? That's pretty big. I'm not sure if I want to use that much high space for that game. Oh, it is smaller than the others. Maybe. Maybe, 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 maybe. Oh, well, definitely that. Okay, so let's see. Where you at? Where you at? Lunar? And Liza P. And one more. One more game. And one more game to put on here. And I'm going to probably go for one I've already installed. It'll save me a lot of time and trouble. Hmm. There's a couple in here that I've already put on other polls, so I'm trying to avoid duplicating myself here. I guess it's the one I really need. Da, 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 da. Disaster report 4. Okay. Okay, I think I got a nice selection for you guys. So this would be the Never Been Played collection. And it's going to include Sonic Racing Crossworlds, um, Tokyo Mirage Sessions, Fire Emblem Encore, Crisis Core, Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Well, I'm not sure if I had a Director's Cut, but I think I had the standard one that's on PS4. I actually have the disc of it now instead of the free one that PSN messed up. Um, 10,000 Resist, Bladestorm Nightmare, Lunar Remastered Collection, Liza P's, and Disaster Report 4. I'm hearing music. Why am I hearing music? Something's playing music and I don't know where it's coming from. I know, that's the idea. I want it to be tough. I want all of these choices to be tough. I want you guys to agonize over the choices so I can keep offering it in future weeks. That's what I'm aiming for. That's what it was. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. I wanted to give you guys the toughest selection on each ones I can give you. But my goal is to have these in rotation, so every week will be a different selection. What I'm sticking with two every week is going to be an indie game choice and a Koei game choice. I'm sorry, story choice for sure and Koei games for sure. It's going to be offered each week. If I can mix in Koei games into the other votes, then that'll count for it. Um, but yeah, this is what I'm aiming for. And if you notice, just about every single one of my choices, I have it set up where there's at least one Koei game being offered. In most cases. And this would be never been played. I could have added Black Myth Wukong, but that thing is huge. So I didn't want that to sit installed and nobody picked it. So I didn't want to take any chances of that. Especially with all these other ones all installed. Okay, so it would be never been played choice. Oh no, Control Z. What have I done? I don't know what I did, but that's not what I asked for. I wanted to duplicate it. Okay. What? Okay. So now, as of this moment, as soon as I can find it, why do I keep misplacing that thing? And hide the poll. My schedule is now live. This is my selections for you guys. Tomorrow's going to be Gal Kick Ass Viewer's Choice. Wednesday's going to be Indie Game Day featuring Honoma Hime. Thursday will be the debut of Crystalla, officially out of early access. Friday's going to be Viewers Choice. Saturday will be coverage of the Indie Live Expo. And Sunday will be the Indie Games Viewer's Choice. And Monday will be the Never Been Played Viewer's Choice. So yeah, that's my selection. I would like you guys to help me out. If you guys haven't seen me go live within 30 minutes of when I'm supposed to start the stream, please send me a message on Discord because sometimes I might be um so caught up in my homework that I haven't been able to break off and I need a break. So please remind me if I'm running late because I don't want to miss any of this and I don't want to work so much on homework that I can't break away because I don't want to be overly stressed. So I'm hoping you guys can help me with that. I need a reminder to stop and chill. That's what I need. Otherwise, I'm going to be so cranky. So, any comments or anything before we wrap things up tonight? Or did I? What am I missing in my window? Did I miss? Oh, Where's my other window? Uh-oh, I missed something. Where's my window? I was looking at the wrong chat window. Did I miss my chat? Any chats? I hope I didn't. Okay. Okay. I was worried that someone might have talked on the other chats and I had the wrong only one chat window open. So now I do. I have all the chats open, so I should be okay now. But yeah. Okay, so thanks for helping me set up my schedule today. I'm happy we got all of our platforms working again. I'm glad we got everything integrated again. I'm glad I was able to stream again. And I'm going to go ahead and go to bed now. It's now 1:03 a.m. from my time zone. So hopefully I should be returning, let's see, 1 to 12, 12 to 11, 11 to 10 to 9. So I should return 4 hours earlier than it is right now, tomorrow. Hopefully. If you don't see me by that time, send me a message. Okay? Okay. I go bye bye now. Bye. Bye bye. I go bye bye now. And stop streaming now. Did my hand just go floppy? Hey, hey, where is it? I'm waiting for it. And you know I'm waiting for it. Go for it. I can't push a button until I know you've done it. I can't push it. There it is. I knew it. I knew it was coming. That's why I had to make sure. Bye bye.